Greetings. Today I want to speak to you concerning the horny feeling or desire breathing that you must practice to manifest your every desire. So this horny feeling breathing technique would be a little bit too, let me say, explicit for YouTube. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on my Patreon for you. So by the time you get this video, it will already be on my Patreon. Now, this breathing technique is my own brainchild. It was inspired to me many years ago as the sound of sex, and I was trying to articulate how I can go about it, but it was just the other night I woke up minutes to 3 in the morning, and so I know that whenever I wake up around that time, that it's a very magical time and that I must not go back to sleep. So between 3 a.m. right up to after 4 a.m. in the morning, I was still up. And that was the time that the real revelation came to me, whereby I realized that it is a breathing technique that the universe was actually teaching me all the time. Okay, and I was referring to it as the sound of sex. And what it revealed to me is that this breathing that you normally do when you're in the act, okay, you're actually conjoining all of the forces with whatever intention or mindset that you have. You're conjoining it because everything is already here. And so, if you have a certain mindset and you are in the act and you're doing this kind of breathing, that is what you would reflect back in this three-dimensional physical world, because manifestation always precedes belief. So the belief that you are carrying have to do with your mindset or the concept you hold. Okay? So when it comes to this sexual breathing technique, you would realize that you can achieve a spiritual orgasmic experience. Many times when I visualize and so on and I vibrate, many times I would experience a spiritual orgasmic release, and I would react and make the same sound that I do when I'm in the real physical three-dimensional act. Okay, and when I say real, okay, is just for clarity, okay, because the real world is the non-physical world. That's where your true essence is, and that is where you are conjuring this power of transmutation to transmute your energy into the equivalent of whatsoever you desire in this world, whether is it money or whatever. Okay, so for example, for us to be expressed in this physical three-dimensional world, our mothers and fathers have to come together, and when they come together, they are conjoining the forces that's gonna express you here. That is why by now, when you get this video, you realize I would have done a video on how to bring a genius child into this dimension. So my brother, my sisters, this is basically an invitation I'm giving to you to join my Patreon to get hold of this breathing technique. This breathing technique is even more powerful than the Wim Hof breathing, which is basically, he's actually doing the same thing, but not really, explaining and telling you that going deeper. I don't know if he was afraid of anything because they tried to target him and so on, because you could use this for healing, you could use this for any and everything. Okay, because you're actually conjuring the Christ consciousness, okay, forces that you're reading about and that you're seeing on a symbol that they normally have at the hospitals and the pharmacies and so on, where they do serpent and the pole and so on. Okay, and I could go more into detail, but this is basically an invitation I'm giving to you, that you can, grab a hold of this breathing technique, okay, that will be available to you on my Patreon, okay. And once you can find a very private place that you can be without no disturbance or anyone to, like, say, mock you or laugh at you doing this thing, okay, because sometimes if you live around other people with negative energy, sometimes you can't practice, as the way you would want to practice. But find a real private place, okay, and you can listen to the sound, you understand, of the horny feeling, and you will be instructed. Okay, it is also a guided meditation. It is something I can do with people, okay, privately, if they book me, okay. So that could be done also, that could be arranged. So my brother and my sisters, use this energy wisely, creatively, consciously, and become a conscious and deliberate creator, because since the dawn of time, wise men have always known this secret. Okay, as a matter of fact, this is the most ancient breathing technique there is and will always be. So you want joy, you want peace, you want happiness, you want healing, whatsoever you desire, this sexual breathing technique, this horny desire, a horny feeling breathing technique is the thing that you've been looking for. Many people try binaural beats, okay, and many people would agree that they get certain benefit from it. Many people try the Wim Hof breathing and they would agree that they get certain benefit from this. But I'm telling you, this is the highest form, okay. There's nothing more pleasurable than this. There's nothing more high than this. This is what was used to express you here in this three-dimensional world. So with that being said, my brother, my sister, I can go on and on, but I don't strike the main point that I want to get across to you. The invitation is out to you and the choice is yours. You can take it or leave it. So with that being said, I want to say to you, if what I'm saying, if it makes sense to you and it resonates with you and you haven't subscribed already, I'm definitely encouraging you to subscribe, to like, to comment, or to share this video. Also, if you like to follow me on Instagram, you like to follow me on TikTok, you can follow me at BlackMadGuru. And if you like to book a one-on-one with me, the links are down below. You can drop me an email and we can link up a one-on-one. Or you can book me on an app called Faith. It's a more religious Christian app, because they have more prophetess, preachers, teachers, you name it. Okay, but I'm the one there that teach spirituality and so on. I teach differently, and it will allow you to go on a platform whereby you can measure the things that I am teaching to those that they are teaching also, and you can see who's teaching with authority and who is making more sense. Okay, and whichever work for you, okay, I would definitely recommend that you go with what works for you. Also, if you have never read any of my books, the links are down below. You have more than 10 books to choose from, and my gratitude journal is there for him and for her. And they all start out with the affirmation saying that I am so happy and grateful now, and you can add whatever you want to add to that. So you can journal your life whichever way you want it to be also. So I think I would have basically mentioned everything. And before I leave you, I just want to remind you once more to check out all of the links that are down below, and definitely let your intuition, let me repeat that again, always let your intuition lead you and guide you into what to do. So with that being said, I just want to say peace, love you all, I'm out.